This simple coconut balls is the best dessert ever. The best homemade dessert. This is so easy. It is so direct, simple, but it's super delicious. With just 5 ingredients and just a little time, you are going to have this. Make sure you have this to the next dessert you are planning to prepare. Let's get started. What I have on this tables are the coconuts that I'll be using. I got 3 coconuts. Don't mind them, they wear clothes for coconuts here. So I peeled them and this is what I have. But I have to tell you, I'll be using only 2 because from the 3 coconuts, 1 of them is spoiled. I have to throw it away, but I'll be using these 2 coconuts. I've rinsed them and now I need to get my grater and take my time to grate them. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to everyone watching this video. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how much you enjoyed this after trying it. Please try it out. In a pot here, I'm going to pour my sugar that I'll be using. The exact measurements used is in the comment section or in the description box. And I'm going to add vanilla sugar and salt into it. I'm just going to leave them and allow them to melt. And this is how I have to be stirring it occasionally until everything is completely caramelized. Can you see what we have here? But I want it a bit darker. Yes. This is exactly how I wanted it. So I pour the grated coconut into it. And I'll be adding 3 tablespoonfuls of coconut water. That's the water I drained from those coconuts. I added it into it now and I'm now going to be mixing it because everything has to become one. So keep mixing it. This is also very important. Yes, it has to be well mixed and fried until there's nothing like traces of water at the down of the pot. Let me show you. You can just push it around. You can see everything is dried. So it is super ready and I love it this way. If you want it a bit darker, you can continue frying it and you will get the color that you want. But this golden color is super good and super unique. So at this stage, I turned down the heat and I allowed it to cool down a bit because I'm going to continue working with it with my hands. Yes, look at it. Now it's cool. So I washed my hands and I'm going to start to form it into ball forms. Yes, it has to turn to balls. We call this chocolate balls. So this is the reason why we call it balls. That is what I'm doing now. This is how you're going to take it once it's cooled down. Don't let it get cool totally. Just lukewarm and then you turn them to balls like this. Let your friends taste this. Let your children try this. Let them know this is our own African dessert. It is super delicious. Everyone loved it. I'm telling you, everyone loved this. Try this 5 ingredients coconut balls and you will thank me later. I've made 3 ingredients before. You can search it on my page, but this 5th one is the best. Thanks for watching.